We're gonna check out this rough end, look at the ductwork, do some inspections. Okay guys, look at here, we got a mechanical closet with a PVA multi-position air handler by Mitsubishi Electric. Looks like we still need to wire this up. Got some float switches, John style comm wires. Coming up to the 3rd floor, here we got another PVA. This is 12,000 BTU. This is just doing the 4th floor. Like that, we've got in this house we're featuring an Aprilaire dehumidifier. These are really nice. This is a 100 pint per day. What I like about the Aprilairs is they come with actual controls. You don't have to buy a separate controller for them, which is pretty nice. They also come with all the dampers, backdraft dampers, and everything you'll need for installation depending on your applications. Let's check out a little view of Austin from the top of this deck. Pretty high up. Here at the ground floor level, looks like we've got some makeup air intakes and exhausts for bathroom fans and energy recovery ventilators. This fancy quick flash cover for our refrigerant lines. We got them charged up with nitrogen. Usually we charge them 500 psi during construction, just to ensure there's no leaks. And we check them throughout the construction process just to make sure. Yep, holding good and strong. If a drywaller or any stucco guys, anything like that, puts a hole in this line set, they'll definitely know about it, and hopefully they'll let us know. Guys, thanks for following along on our little tour of this beautiful home in Rollingwood, Texas. Stay tuned for more. We got lots of great projects we'd love to show off to you guys. As always, like and follow for more HVAC content.